In this video, we will show you how to view and manage your queue setup, including adding and removing members, changing the ring strategy, setting your dialing cycle, and modifying your audio files. If you need to create a new queue, please speak to Jet support. To view or edit your queue settings, navigate to Telephony, and select Queues. This will bring up a list of your current queues and an overview of the information for each setup. You can also view or upload any music on hold files through the menu item on the top right. To view your queue setup in more detail, click the edit pencil next to the queue you are interested in. You will now see the full configuration of the queue. You can edit the queue name, change or add new music on hold files, and adjust the queue settings. The ring strategy will define how you would like the queue to behave. There are 3 strategies available: order configured, round robin, and simultaneous. If you select order configured, the extensions in this queue will be dialed in the same order they are listed in the extensions assigned to queue box. You can click and drag within this box to change the order. If you choose round robin, extensions will still follow the order your extensions are configured in. However, new calls will start dialing from where the most recently completed call was accepted, rather than from position 1, every time. Lastly, if you set this to be simultaneous, all queue extensions will call at once. Next is dialing cycle time. This is the time in seconds before your queue operations will refresh. Queues have a dialing cycle time so that certain operations can be performed, such as adding any newly available extensions to the ring group, or dialing the next extension in the queue. The dialing cycle time is to do with your ring strategy, and does not affect a queue timeout length. To set a queue timeout, please do this in the queue widget on your call flow. Dialing cycle time will also control the frequency of some audio features. The first of these is announce position, which you can turn on to let a caller know what position they are in a queue. This notice will play every dialing cycle at the frequency you set, for example, every 3 dialing cycles, or roughly 60 seconds. You can also choose to select prioritize position changes, which will let the caller know if there has been a change in their queue position. If you select this option, the caller will be informed of any queue position change at the completion of the next dialing cycle, even if they only just heard this message for their previous position. The second audio option is a periodic announcement. This option allows you to add an audio file that will play for any callers in the queue. This will also play every dialing cycle at the frequency you set, for example, every 2 dialing cycles, or roughly 40 seconds. A call whisper is a short audio file that plays to the person who answers a call. Whispers are used to let the agent know information about the call before speaking to the customer, such as the number that was called, which IVR option was selected, or the marketing source of a call. You can upload your own by clicking here. The wrap-up time is the minimum time, in seconds, that extensions will be left in a busy status, in order to complete any call wrap-up activities. When this time expires, extensions will become available for any new calls coming through, when the dialing cycle refreshes. Finally, to add or remove extensions from your queue, you can use the Add or Remove buttons to move these from the list of extensions available, to the list that are assigned to your queue. You can also choose to set a delay on some extensions. This allows you to delay certain extensions from joining the ring strategy for a certain amount of time. This feature can operate differently based on the ring strategy you have selected. For more information on this, please view our queue management article on the Help Center. To update your configuration, click Save. If any extensions have a delay on them, you will see they appear as a lighter color. There may be multiple delay times set up. Just open the queue configuration to check what these are.